Welcome to this JobNimbus CRM tutorial. If you're in the construction, roofing, or home improvement industry, you know how important it is to stay organized, track projects, and manage client relationships efficiently. JobNimbus is a powerful, all-in-one CRM and project management software designed specifically to help contractors and service professionals streamline their workflows, improve communication, and increase productivity. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and use JobNimbus CRM to manage your projects, track deals, organize tasks, and automate workflows, all while keeping your business running smoothly. But before we get started, first let's know what is JobNimbus CRM. JobNimbus is a cloud-based CRM and project management solution tailored for contractors and home service businesses. It helps teams track leads, schedule jobs, generate estimates, manage documents, and communicate with clients, all from one intuitive platform. Unlike generic CRMs, JobNimbus is built specifically for the construction and home service industry, providing features like estimating, invoicing, job tracking, and integrations with QuickBooks, EagleView, CompanyCam, and more. So now let's get started. So first, simply head over to jobnimbus.com, and from here you can start a free trial for an account. So simply sign up for an account, and after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected right here in your dashboard. So this is how it will look like. Also, JobNimbus will show this pop-up video to welcome us. Just click on Get Started. And as you can see, we will be redirected to our settings. So let's just go back. As you can see, this is what your homepage will look like. I'm just going to, so you have this tasks right here on your homepage. You'll see your tasks, your jobs, your contacts. So basically, all of these tasks right here is just sample data. As you can see, we have this pull permit task right here. So to see the task, just simply click on it. You'll see the details right here. You'll see the type, the priority, and the status. And from here, you will see who is this task assigned to, who are the related contacts for this tasks, if there is a subtask for this task, and also the activity for this task. Of course, we can always add a subtask. We can always add notes to the activity. Also, you can view the documents for this task and the photos. So if this tasks need photos, you could always add photos right here. If this task need documents or files, you can always add them right here. Now let's go back to our home page. So basically that is for your tasks. Next is our jobs. So as you can see, we have the job right here. We have the Jane Tester job. So to add a new job, simply click on Add Job right here. You can see you can create a job right here. So simply fill up all of this information needed, such as the job name, the related contacts, address line, postal code, city, and state. Now fill up the job type, status, sales rep, lead source, assigned to, and all of this information available right here. So as much as possible, make sure to fill up all of this information. And when you're done, simply click on Save. Next, we have the contacts. You can see we have one contact right here. So to add a new contact, simply click on Add Contact. Again, fill up all of this information necessary right here, such as the first and last name, the display name, email, mobile phone, the address, postal code, city, and state/province. You can also show all fields to see all of this. And of course, if you want to add many contacts, if you have a bunch of different contacts, you can always click here on Import Contacts, select your CSV file, and it will automatically import all of those contacts in that file. So basically, that is what your dashboard will look like. But of course, we have different tabs right here, such as the jobs. So this is what the jobs tab or section looks like. So you can see this is you have the tables and cards right here. So this for the retail. So we have three boards such as retail, insurance, and the work orders. So if you want, you can always add new cards right here. Let's go back to retail. Say add job. As you can see, this is the job. Simply add it. And of course, if you're done, you can also add tasks. As you can see, create right here, add a task. This is the task section. You can see, let's create a task and it will automatically go here. When we go back to jobs, we have again this cards right here. Let's click on it to see the details. And of course, we can always move them to the next tables if we want to. You can see if this one is already a pending customer sign, just move there. So basically, this is how the job section works. Next, we have our calendar. Basically, we have a CRM calendar right here. So if you have appointments or meetings or to-do lists, you can always see it in your calendar. So to add an appointment, just simply create a task, click on the date, create a task, fill this up, and click on save. Next, we have the insights. Basically, this is our performance metrics. It's taking too long to load. Basically, from here, you'll just see charts and graphs. As you can see, we have this conversions, leads. So basically, this is just your reports, weekly, monthly, or yearly reports. Next, we have the engage section. So from here, you can add engage for existing customers or new customers. So I think we can only access this using a paid subscription. Next is payments. So from here again, you need to contact support to add your payments. So that's basically all of the features of JobNimbus. So simply feel free to explore more about its features and explore how it can leverage you and your team with your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.